Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. I love Spam. Y'all know I love Spam. I make Spam videos, cooking videos, but this is Walmart's brand of Spam. But check it out, it's chicken. Chicken. Like Spam has turkey Spam, which I'm a fan of. My wife doesn't like as much. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of it, but well, here you go. They got a brand new type. Low carb, 1 carb per serving. Ingredients are very light. Mechanically separated chicken, salt, sugar, sodium phosphate, spices, sodium whatever that is, and sodium nitrate. So it says fully cooked, ready to eat hot or cold. I'm going to open it up and put it out on a tray here. Oh man, that didn't even hiss. I don't know, it doesn't look good and it doesn't smell good, to be honest with you. It kind of reminds me of potted meat. Anyway, we're going to put it on a tray. I'll take a slice of it cold, and so will Jen, and then I'll fry some up and we'll see what it tastes like. Well, here it is. It's got some instructions. Slice luncheon meat and heat as suggested. If you're going to do it in the oven, it says place slices on baking pan, bake at 425 for 10 minutes. Microwave, oh boy, I would not do that. Place slices in microwave safe plate and heat on high for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Skillet, that's what we're going to be using. Fry slices in skillet until golden brown on both sides. And I'm curious to see if it'll stiffen up, if it'll crisp up like Spam does. And then it even has a broiler. Place slices on broiler pan, broil on or grill for 2 minutes on each side. So color-wise, very unappealing looking. It does have the old slime that was on, you can see it better in there, that was on the older Spam. They changed the recipe just a little bit. Now they don't have that, but yeah, let's go ahead. I'll give it a try here. Oh, well, we've attracted the attention of the cats, that's for sure. Get out of here. So there it is. It's a little slimy. It doesn't smell very good either, I'll be honest with you. It kind of smells like potted meat that's gone bad, but we'll give it a shot. Oh my God, that's horrible. Wow. Oh, that is bad. That doesn't taste like chicken. Man, that just doesn't taste good. All right, let me get Jen to give it a try and see what she tastes like. Maybe it'll taste better fried up. This might become pet food, chicken food. We'll see.
It's not the greatest texture at all. It's kind of flimsy and spongy. That's quite disgusting. Not good at all.
That is really bad, isn't it?
It's like potted meat, deviled ham, and some, yeah, no.
It's not, it's...
No.
Like, and I love this kind of food, but that is just...
No.
That's just not good. You think it's going to taste any better cooked? I'm worried what it's going to smell like cooked.
I don't even know if I'd feed that to the cats.
All right, well, I'm going to fry some up, and we'll see if it tastes any better, but I don't have high hopes. Let's do it. All right, here we are. I will say this has probably been close to 10 minutes. They have turned a darker color red, but they really haven't crisped up too much. They're not, I guess they're a little bit more firm than they were. They certainly don't look like chicken. All right, so I'm gonna put these on a paper towel, let some of that fat come off of it, and we'll give them a taste test cooked instead of raw, because raw, they got an F from both Jen and myself. Let's do it. Okay, well here they are. You can see the color change between the raw version and, well, it's still cooked, but the uncooked versus the cooked version here. And they're sort of firmed up. It took a lot longer than a regular piece of Spam for them to crunch up, but well, I'm gonna give it a try. It's a lot better than raw, but it's still missing something. Hold on, I'm gonna let Jen take a turn here.
All right, color looks a little bit better. It is firmer. I don't know. The edge is crunched up pretty well, but it does not taste like Spam at all.
And it doesn't taste like chicken either, does it?
It tastes like, I don't know. It tastes like if I was really, really hungry and that's all there was to eat in the world, I would eat it. But by choice, probably not.
Yeah, I can say I don't. I would never buy that again.
Please don't.
Yeah, that was just not good. So there you go. I had high hopes. I love spam. I love generic spam. I try all kinds of spams. Anytime I see a brand I've never seen before of spam-like substance, I buy it. And I never seen a chicken type luncheon meat, a chicken spam. And so we had high hopes. We had hopes. These hopes have been dashed. That is
Chicken food.
chicken food for the chickens, because that is not really good at all. I wouldn't make that into a sandwich. It'd be a waste of 2 pieces of bread and some mayonnaise, you know?
When the cat that loves spam turns her nose up at it, probably not the best thing.
Yeah. So save your money. Don't waste your money on that one. There's an F for you. The first food taste test I've ever made that's just straight up disgusting. Till next time, my friends. Take care.